How to create an email campaign. To do so, first go to your left-hand navigation menu, scroll down to select Marketing, then Email Marketing. We can choose Create on the left-hand side where it says Create to create an email campaign, or we can use the left-hand navigation menu and select Email Builder under Email Marketing. Under Campaign Name, set up the campaign's name, October Specials 2019, assign the type of campaign, 3 to choose from, Appointment Reminder, Product Marketing, and General Marketing. In this case, it's General Marketing. Our delivery method, this will be a blast, but we can also create a drip by date, drip by day, and a holiday campaign this way as well. Like I said, we're creating a blast today, so I'm going to go ahead and select blast. Now let's click Save and continue to move to the next step. Choose the template you would like to use. In this case, we're going to choose Specials template for promotions. We can add a preview recipient, meaning you can add your own email or one of a coworker, doctor, owner, manager, etc. to have them view this email prior to being sent out. To add a preview recipient, click in this field here, type in your email address, and then to add additional email addresses, plug in a comma to add the following email addresses. Next, let's add our subject to the email. To do so, we're going to select in this field and begin to type. Don't miss out on these amazing deals. Now scroll down just a touch where you'll see your logo in the top center of this email. Make sure your call tracking number is accurate. Also, be sure that your logo is hyperlinked to your website on the page you would like it hyperlinked to. Usually that's going to be the home page of your website. To do so, click on the image and go to the header on the far left. By hovering over it, you'll see the word link pop up and click on the little chain link. Be sure that this URL here is leading to the proper page. This looks great, so I'm going to select OK. Let's scroll down a bit further. We see our beautiful picture. We want to add a text or link right here. To do so, click inside of this text. I'm leaving the first and last character just to hold the format that's already given in this template. I'm going to put the name of my practice, SPC Play Sandbox. Delete that first and last character. And perfect, SPC Play Sandbox. Now under this, we can add additional information. So I'm going to go ahead and again, highlight this text, keeping that first and last character, and begin typing away. Happy October. It's time to come in to experience our amazing deals. Delete that first and last character. Our next step is to edit this promotion. Facials. I'm keeping this very broad, as you can tell. Once finished, delete that first and last character again. We can also edit this price here by selecting inside of the price. The regular price is of course editable as well. Once we're finished with our facials, we can move on to our next promotion, then the third, and the fourth, etc. Keep in mind as you're editing, you can also change the font color, size, etc. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and highlight this, change my font, and change my size, and change my color. Click on the little text color up at the top. I can make it gray. I can choose more colors to find a more customizable color. For the sake of practice today, let's select this pink color. Okay. Wonderful. Before we move on to the next step, let's make sure our logo is hyperlinked to your website. Make sure the phone number is accurate. We can also hyperlink all of the images in the emails, including those promotional images. As we scroll down, also be sure that the Facebook logo is linked up to your Facebook page, along with the Twitter to the Twitter page. Same is true for Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Also add the URL to your website below here. We can add the address of your practice. All of this is absolutely customizable. Once you're finished editing your template, you can send the preview to whomever you've added in the preview recipient field. Once approved, click on the small arrow to the right of Send Preview and select Save and Continue. Now it's time for step 3. To select our groups, go to the Available Groups field on the left-hand side and scroll down to find October Specials 2019. Once we find it, click and highlight it. Click on the right arrow to move it over to Groups in Use. All of the marketing groups we add to Groups in Use will be receiving the email that we're setting up right now. And now it's time to choose our delivery date and time. Click on this field, choose the date you would like to send. You can use the arrows at the very top to switch through months, and the up and down arrows to set the time. Click on the toggle on the right-hand side of the time to toggle between AM and PM. So October 1st at 9 AM, click on the little check mark to set. Now that we've assigned our marketing groups to send this email campaign to, and we've chosen our delivery date and time, we can now select Schedule and Continue. Success! Your campaign October Specials 2019 and message has been built,